Should the financial details of Pakistani cricketers player be made public, the Islamabad High Court has stepped into a legal battle that could define the limits of transparency within the Pakistan Cricket Board. The Islamabad High Court has suspended the Pakistan Information Commission's order directing Pakistan Cricket Board to disclose the salaries, match fees, central contracts, allowances, annual budgets, audit report, and other financial benefits of Pakistan's national cricketers. Chief Justice Sardar Mohammad Sarfaraz Dogar issued the interim stay while hearing the petitions filed by the PCB, putting the Commission's July 9th order on the hold until the next hearing, which has been scheduled for September 22nd. During the hearing, PCB's counsel argued that the information sought was not limited to the institutional spending alone, but also included players' personal financial records, confidential contractual agreements, and commercially sensitive information protected under the Right of Access to Information Act 2017. The petitions also challenges Pakistan Information Commission's directive requiring the PCB to disclose its budget for the financial years 2023 to 2025, audit mechanisms, expenditure on ICC T20 World Cup 2026, and financial details relating to the Pakistan's ODI series against South Africa held in Islamabad. The final ruling is expected to determine whether the public's right to information extends to confidential financial contracts of national athletes or whether those records remain protected under Pakistan's transparency.
Have you ever made the biggest mistake a human being can make? Googling your symptoms? Because I had the smallest headache imaginable. Literally just a tiny headache. Any normal person would have ignored it, right? But no. I unlocked my phone, opened Google, and typed, "Why does my head hurt?" Biggest mistake of my life. Within seconds, I'm reading articles with titles that sound like movie trailers. Every website is throwing around medical terms I can't even pronounce. And every second sentence is like telling me to consult a doctor immediately. At that point, I wasn't searching anymore. I was investigating my own fictional medical documentary. In my head, I've already accepted my fate, started applying my entire life, and somehow convinced myself that this tiny headache was the beginning of the end. Then I closed Google, took a deep breath, drank a couple of glasses of water, ate something, and waited 10 minutes. Later, absolutely nothing. The headache had disappeared like it was never there. And that's when it hit me. I had just wasted half an hour diagnosing myself with every disease known to humanity, when all my body was trying to say was, "Please drink some water." And honestly, Google deserves an award. Not for diagnosing people, but for turning the world's smallest headache into the most dramatic season finale of my life.